Welcome to our YouTube channel Ask Prep. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the impact of artificial intelligence on education. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the field of education, offering transformative opportunities to enhance teaching and learning experiences, improve educational outcomes, and address the diverse needs of students and educators. From personalized learning to intelligent tutoring systems, AI technologies are reshaping education in profound ways. Here are some key ways in which AI is impacting education. 1. Personalized learning. One of the most significant impacts of AI in education is its ability to personalize learning experiences for students. AI-powered adaptive learning platforms analyze students' learning styles, preferences, and performance data to deliver customized instruction, content, and feedback tailored to individual needs. This enables students to learn at their own pace, fill gaps in knowledge, and receive targeted support, leading to improved learning outcomes and engagement. 2. Intelligent tutoring systems. AI-driven tutoring systems provide students with personalized support and guidance in specific subjects or skills. These systems use algorithms to assess students' strengths and weaknesses, identify areas for improvement, and deliver adaptive instruction and practice activities. Intelligent tutoring systems can supplement traditional classroom instruction, provide immediate feedback, and track students' progress over time, helping them master challenging concepts and achieve academic success. 3. Virtual assistants and chatbots. AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots are being used in education to support administrative tasks, answer students' questions, and provide personalized assistance. These virtual agents can help students navigate course materials, find resources, and access support services, enhancing their learning experience and promoting self-directed learning. Virtual assistants can also assist teachers by automating routine tasks, providing real-time feedback, and facilitating communication with students and parents. 4. Data analytics and predictive modeling. AI technologies enable educators to collect, analyze, and leverage large volumes of data to gain insights into student performance, behavior, and learning patterns. Predictive analytics algorithms can identify at-risk students, predict future outcomes, and recommend interventions to prevent academic failure. By harnessing the power of data analytics, educators can make data-informed decisions, personalize instruction, and improve student retention and success rates. 5. Content creation and curation. AI tools are revolutionizing content creation and curation in education, enabling educators to develop high-quality, interactive learning materials more efficiently. AI-generated content can include adaptive textbooks, interactive simulations, and multimedia resources that cater to diverse learning styles and preferences. AI algorithms can also curate educational content from a wide range of sources, including open educational resources, OER, online courses, and educational videos, making it easier for educators to find and integrate relevant materials into their teaching practice. 6. Language translation and accessibility. AI technologies such as natural language processing, NLP, and machine translation are breaking down language barriers and improving accessibility for students with diverse linguistic backgrounds and abilities. AI-powered translation tools can translate educational materials into multiple languages in real time, allowing students to access content in their preferred language. Similarly, AI-driven accessibility features, such as speech recognition and text-to-speech synthesis, can support students with disabilities by providing alternative modes of interaction and communication. In summary, AI is reshaping education by offering personalized learning experiences, intelligent tutoring systems, virtual assistants, data analytics, content creation tools, language translation, grading and assessment solutions, and ethical considerations. By harnessing the power of AI technologies, education can become more accessible, inclusive, and effective, empowering learners and educators to thrive in the digital age. Thanks for joining us today. We'll continue making these knowledgeable videos for you in future. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe.